Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add or remove games from Steam Family Sharing. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, here's something important you need to know. If you're using Steam Families, which is the current system, you generally can't manually choose individual games to share or not share the way the old family sharing system worked. Shared games are included automatically if they're eligible. However, there is a workaround that allows you to remove specific games from family sharing, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. To remove a specific game from family sharing, start by clicking on Library in the upper left corner of your Steam window. This will take you to your complete game collection where you can manage all your installed and available titles. Once you're in your library, look at the left panel where all your games are listed. Find the game you want to remove from family sharing, then right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. Now hover your mouse over the option that says Manage. This will expand another submenu with additional management options for that specific game. From this submenu, select Mark as Private. This is the key step that removes the game from being shared with your family members. A game marked as private won't be visible to other family members and won't be shared through Steam Families. Essentially, it becomes your personal game that only you can access. If you later decide you want to add the game back to family sharing, the process is just as simple. Go back to your library, find the game you previously marked as private, and right-click on it again. Hover your mouse over Manage once more, but this time select Unmark as private. The game becomes shareable again if it's eligible for Steam Families. It will now reappear in your family members' libraries, and they'll be able to access and play it just like any other shared game in your collection. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to control which games are shared with your Steam family by marking them as private or unmarking them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.